the thing is, like, the digital version of it looks pristine, but then actually trying to print it out and make it look the way the digital version looks. I'm an interdisciplinary artist, and the roots of that for me are drawing and singing, actually. The show is made up of 4 different projects. The catalyst for it was having a son and trying to teach him my culture, Vietnamese.
I'm already beginning to think to myself, like, I love the interior design elements that kind of create such an inviting space for this. It's not just having things plastered on a wall, which is usually what you think of when you go to a museum.
I think like the animations and like the comics all around and the wallpaper is the most interesting part.
The visual elements are teaching me a lot so far, so I'm really excited to see how I can interpret that in my own way.
I'll be mentoring students later, where we just meet one-on-one for 10 to 15 minutes, and I get to look at their work, give them career advice, and talk about possibilities for how they can exhibit that work in a gallery space, and to share a very tactile way of animating.